The workday is finally over. The sun is setting and the city is winding down. You've given your all, and now it's time to focus on you. You walk in, exhausted, and the last thing you want is to spend an hour cooking. The couch is calling your name, and your energy is running low. Takeout is tempting, but you want to feel good and stay on track. You know that what you eat tonight will shape how you feel tomorrow. What if a healthy, delicious dinner was just 10 minutes away? It's not a dream, it's your new reality. Imagine transforming your evening with a meal that's both quick and nourishing. Tonight, you'll discover 3 amazing recipes you can make faster than ordering delivery. No more waiting for the doorbell, your dinner is ready before you know it. Imagine sitting down to a colorful, flavorful meal you made in minutes. The satisfaction of knowing you created something healthy and delicious is unbeatable. No complicated recipes, no hard-to-find ingredients. Just simple, smart cooking. Everything you need is right in your kitchen, ready to go. We're making garlic lime shrimp with zoodles, a dish bursting with flavor and freshness. Spicy turkey and veggie lettuce bowls, perfect for a light yet satisfying dinner that packs a punch. And chickpea and avocado smash wraps, creamy, crunchy, and full of plant-based goodness. Each meal is under 400 calories, high in protein and fiber, and designed for busy lives. You don't have to sacrifice nutrition for speed. Protein keeps you full and strong. It helps your muscles recover and your mind stay sharp after a long day. Fiber helps your digestion and satisfaction. It's the secret to feeling light yet satisfied, so you can relax all evening. You won't be hungry after dinner, and you won't have to choose between fast and healthy. These meals are proof you can have both. With the right recipes, you can come home tired and still nourish your body. Even on your busiest days, you can make choices that support your health. Let's get started. Quick, healthy meals are a form of self-care. Taking time to cook for yourself is a way to show you matter. These 10-minute dinners help you end your day on a positive note. They bring comfort, flavor, and a sense of accomplishment. Leave the stress behind and step into the kitchen for just 10 minutes. You'll be surprised at how much better you feel. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to take care of yourself even on your busiest days. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Cooking a quick, healthy meal is a small act of self-love. It's a gift you give yourself every single night. You deserve to feel your best. When you eat well, you live well. And it all starts with what's on your plate. These dinners are more than food. They're a way to reclaim your evenings. They give you time back for what matters most. You can have fast, healthy, and delicious all at once. No more compromises, just great food and great evenings. Ready to change your weeknights? Let's dive in. Your journey to effortless, healthy dinners starts right now. No more guilt, no more stress, just good food, fast. You'll look forward to dinner again. Your new routine starts now. Make every evening a little healthier, a little happier. Let's make healthy eating effortless. You're just 10 minutes away from a meal you'll be proud of. 10 minutes is all it takes. That's less time than scrolling through your phone or waiting for delivery. You'll be so glad you did. Let's get cooking and make your weeknights the healthiest, happiest part of your day. Our first recipe brings the fresh, bright flavors of the coast to your kitchen. Garlic, lime, and tender shrimp come together in a dish that's light, zesty, and satisfying. Shrimp cook in minutes, turning juicy and flavorful. Zucchini noodles, zoodles, replace pasta for a low-calorie veggie-packed base. Buy pre-spiralized zoodles to save time. Shrimp is lean protein. Zoodles add fiber and vitamins. Garlic boosts immunity. Lime adds vitamin C. This meal is elegant enough for guests, but ready in 10 minutes. Healthy eating can be exciting and full of flavor. The aroma alone will lift your mood. Simple, whole ingredients make this dish special. Get ready to fall in love with your new favorite weeknight dinner. Let's get cooking. Here's what you need for garlic lime shrimp and zoodles. Just a handful of fresh, easy-to-find ingredients. 4 ounces of peeled, deveined raw shrimp, 1 medium zucchini, spiralized, or 2 cups pre-made zoodles, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, juice of half a lime, pinch of red pepper flakes, optional, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley or cilantro, optional. Buy prepped shrimp and zoodles to save time. These ingredients make a meal that's filling, nutritious, and bursting with flavor. Gather everything before you start. Prep is the secret to a true 10-minute dinner. Ready? Let's cook. Let's make this dish in 10 minutes flat. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high. Add minced garlic, cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Toss in shrimp and red pepper flakes if using. Cook 1-2 minutes per side until pink. Squeeze lime juice over shrimp. Stir, to coat. Add zoodles. Season with salt and pepper. Toss everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, just until zoodles are heated but still crisp. Don't overcook. You want crunch, not sogginess. Remove from heat, sprinkle with parsley or cilantro. Serve immediately. That's it. Fresh, healthy, and delicious in no time. Enjoy your coastal-inspired dinner. You just made a restaurant-worthy meal in minutes. See how easy healthy can be? Let's move to the next recipe. Craving something savory and crunchy? Try spicy turkey and veggie lettuce bowls. Lean ground turkey cooks fast and is packed with protein. We season it with spices for a little kick. Instead of tortillas or rice, use crisp lettuce cups for a fresh, low-calorie base. Add shredded carrots and diced bell peppers for color, crunch, and nutrients. Customize with any veggies you have on hand. This meal is light, filling, and fun to eat, like a taco, but healthier. High in protein and fiber, low in calories and carbs. It's a complete, satisfying dinner that supports your health goals. Perfect for busy nights when you want something hearty but light. Ready to make it? Let's go. Dinner doesn't get easier than this. Here's what you need for one serving. These simple, wholesome ingredients come together for a meal that's both nourishing and bursting with flavor. Start with 4 ounces of lean ground turkey and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. The turkey is a great source of protein, while the olive oil adds healthy fats and helps everything cook up perfectly. You'll also need 3 to 4 large, crisp lettuce leaves. For that signature spicy kick, gather half a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. These spices bring warmth and depth to every bite. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to balance the flavors. For veggies, use a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots for crunch and color. And a 1/4 cup of diced red bell pepper, which adds a sweet, fresh note and a pop of vibrant color. For umami and a touch of saltiness, add 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, perfect for keeping things light but flavorful. To start cooking, heat the olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat, letting it get nice and warm. Add the ground turkey to the skillet, breaking it up with a spatula so it cooks evenly and browns on all sides. Cook the turkey until it's browned and cooked through. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll notice the edges turning golden. Sprinkle in your spices, stirring well to coat the turkey. Let the flavors bloom for about 30 seconds, filling your kitchen with a delicious aroma. Next, add the diced bell pepper, shredded carrots, and pour in the soy sauce. Stir everything together so the veggies and turkey are evenly coated. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes just until the veggies are tender but still bright and slightly crisp. While the filling finishes, arrange your fresh lettuce leaves on a plate, ready to be filled. Spoon the warm, savory turkey and veggie mixture into each lettuce cup, making sure to get a bit of everything in every bite. That's it. Crunchy, spicy, and satisfying, with every bite offering a mix of textures and bold flavors. Enjoy your healthy hands-on dinner that's as fun to eat as it is good for you. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. These lettuce bowls are perfect for busy weeknights or a light lunch. Let's get ready for our final recipe. There's even more deliciousness ahead. For a plant-based, no-cook dinner, try chickpea and avocado smash wraps. Mash chickpeas and avocado together for a creamy, protein and fiber-rich filling. Add lemon juice, chopped red onion, salt, and pepper for flavor and crunch. Spoon the mixture into a whole wheat tortilla. Whole wheat wraps add fiber and keep you full. This meal is under 400 calories and takes just minutes to make. It's perfect for nights when you're short on time or energy. No cooking required, just mash, mix, and roll. Healthy eating doesn't get simpler than this. Nourishing, satisfying, and energizing. Great for dinner or lunch on the go. Fast, fresh, and filling. Done. Want to make these dinners even faster? Try a little meal prep. Spiralize zucchini, mince garlic, and chop veggies ahead of time. Store prepped ingredients in airtight containers in the fridge. Thaw shrimp in the fridge the morning you plan to cook. Wash and dry lettuce leaves. Store with a paper towel to keep crisp. Pre-mix spice blends for quick seasoning. Rinse chickpeas and chop onion in advance. Mash avocado just before eating to keep it fresh. With a few minutes of prep, your weeknight dinners become effortless. Healthy eating fits right into your busy life. Prep a little. Save a lot of time. These 10-minute dinners are more than just recipes. They're a lifestyle shift, a simple way to reclaim your evenings and prioritize your well-being. In a world where fast food and takeout are always tempting, making the choice to cook at home is a small act of rebellion that pays off in big ways. Choosing to cook healthy meals, even when you're busy or tired, is a powerful act of self-care. It's about showing up for yourself, nourishing your body, and making your health a priority, no matter what your schedule looks like. You'll feel energized, satisfied, and proud of your choices. Each meal is a reminder that you're capable of taking control of your health, one bite at a time. No more sluggishness or guilt from takeout. Instead, you'll experience the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's on your plate and how it's fueling your body. These meals help you stay in a calorie deficit, packed with protein and fiber, to keep you full and satisfied for hours. You'll notice fewer cravings and more steady energy throughout your day. Start with just one recipe this week. See how easy and good it feels to make something nourishing for yourself. You might be surprised at how quickly it becomes a habit. Soon, quick, healthy dinners will be your new normal, and you'll look forward to these moments of self-care and connection. Small, consistent actions add up to big results. Every healthy meal you prepare is a step toward your goals, and over time, those steps create lasting change. You're building habits for long-term health and happiness, setting yourself up for success not just today, but for years to come. Keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep caring for yourself. There's always something new to try, and every meal is a chance to learn and grow. You don't have to be perfect, just willing to try. Mistakes are part of the journey, and every attempt brings you closer to your healthiest self. These 10-minute dinners are your proof that healthy living is possible, no matter how busy you are or how hectic your day has been. Transform your evenings, one meal at a time. You've got this, and every healthy choice you make is a victory worth celebrating. Enjoy the journey to a slimmer, happier, healthier you. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about creating a life you love, one delicious meal at a time.